can talk about one chart which is basically a trend thing. So let me show you on a real-time data. Copy this with what we call it as XY chart. This is basically used for trend analysis. Go to insert and you have this XY scattered plot. Pick this entire thing, you will get a scattered plot here. This is basically we use for doing the trend analysis. So what you have seen in the here trend lines, you can have a linear trend line running. So how do we analyze it? If you're doing a linear focus kind of a thing, then you can, if you have interest into that side, that is basically more into the forecasting, will not be covering here. I'll show you linear thing, what it talks about on the linear side. So when you talk about on the linear thing, so what it is telling us, the thing that you're seeing here, this is only an outlier. The Apple sales over a period of time is following a certain trend, and the entire thing is, this is the trend line. So this is basically kind of a mean which is running. So you can analyze from here. If you are projecting, you can use any of the statistical function to project the sales for this company, because most of the data points are lying very close to the mean or what you call as trend line. So if this trend continues going forward, we can assume that this will run more or less on the same side. Then the equation y equal to a plus bx can also be put in here, which is an equation for a straight line, which is a trend line that has been drawn, since we are saying linear trend line. And so that is more of stats that you can do, but if you need, you can just have this trend lines running in here. Now the last part, let's